Hello, it's Alan again, and I want to tell you more about Fathom's new product called Code X-ray. It's part of AI Builder Central. You'll hear more about AI Builder Central and Code X-ray and the other parts of that platform coming up soon. But I want to show you more about Code X-ray. Last time I showed you how Code X-ray can examine an existing project, something you've already built, whether you built it with AI or you built it yourself, or a combination, and it can show you what is inside that project. In other words, what are the components? What's the architecture look like? And now I want to go a little bit farther, and I want to show you what else Code X-ray can do. So let's jump over to Claude Code, and I'll show you that now. Okay, so I have Claude Code running in a terminal in VS Code. Remember in the last video, I ran Claude Code from the VS Code extension. I just wanted to run it from the terminal this time to show you that to Code X-ray, it doesn't matter. And remember that one of the things that came out of the first step in Code X-ray is this map. Code X-ray only has one command, and that is X-ray. So I just say X-ray, and Claude is going to get all the information that it needs from the Code X-ray information, and it is going to continue examining your project. So I'll come back when Claude has got all the information it needs, and then I'll show you what comes next. The second step is very exciting. Hey, so I just want to come back here while Claude is still working, and I want to show you that if you're following along, you can watch Code X-ray work in Claude. This is just part of Claude Code. And notice here that it is telling you that it's already started the X-ray examination. It knows that the mapping is complete. See, it knows the mapping is complete, and it knows that it is time to start the next part, step 2. Because this is where we move beyond just looking at what's in your project, and we start asking the question, why is that in your project? You see, if you build with AI, many times the AI makes choices about different things in your project that you don't know anything about. And this excavation is where we start looking into your project and saying, hey, did you know that it chose this? And do you know why it chose this? Okay, so step 2, the excavation step, has just completed one of its major deliverables for Code X-ray, and that is the decision graph. The decision graph starts in step 2, but it's going to follow the process all the way through all of the steps. And notice what it's doing. Every node is a decision recovered from the code. So it's looking at the actual code and looking for decisions that you may not even know were made. But this is one of the things that I wanted to show you. Code X-ray doesn't just do a pass and stop. It actually reviews its findings. And notice it says 2 of its worries were dissolved on closer reading. So it found 2 things. Later it went back and dove deeper into that and said, well, those things aren't really concerned. So it was able to drop those. So if Code X-ray looks like something you might be interested in, then I'm going to invite you to go to AI Builder Central. That's aibuildercentral.com. Click the Join the Waitlist button, and we'll keep you updated as we have more information coming out about Code X-ray.